Good afternoon. I am His Royal Highness John, Prince Regent of England.
All right, and tell me a little bit about what's going on out here.
Oh, well, London has come to Guildford, Connecticut. Yes, it has. Right here behind us is Nottinghamshire, home of myself and also the notorious outlaw Robin Hood. But let's not talk of him. Let's talk of the entertainment, the music, the food. So much to see, so much to do. Really, it's a wonderful time for everyone.
You guys got a lot of people out here.
Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you very much. The crowds are good, but well behaved, and we're all having a wonderful time.
What's your favorite part of this?
My favorite part of the festival? Well, you know, it's hard to tell, really. But I do enjoy the jousting, the knights on horseback, thrusting and bouncing and all of that. Fatang! It's just quite enjoyable. I do like that quite much.
When you see all the kids out here, what are they saying to you?
Oh, they say, "Hello, Your Highness. We're having a wonderful time here today. Oh, hello, Your Highness. Isn't it lovely in Nottingham?" They just have a wonderful time. They do.
Anything else you want to add?
I would like to add that you should run, not walk, to your nearest Lover's Lane, Guildford Fairground and come to the Nottingham Robin Hood Springtime Festival. That's what I would like to say.